welcome back to the channel. A couple of videos ago I went out to a friend's place, Mike's, whose his place is just behind mine. So I'm heading out there again. They're doing the rice harvest. Let's go and take a look.
I know. I'm not getting under that. Why you got to stick in the tree? It will hurt.
They're looking for that,
Yeah. They're right now.
You see these guys out in the fields here. There's one guy over here. Where is he? Just here with a stick. They're looking for rats. They're going to hit some rats with a stick and then eat them.